Welcome everybody. It's a really great pleasure and honor to have IWMI host you here in Sri Lanka for this critical set of discussions for CGIAR, but beyond that, for how we make AI really deliver for what's important to CGIAR, important to us, and I suspect important to the motivations that everybody here has while you do your work.
Well, we need to bring our centers together. We have to be careful about how we use AI. It has to be ethical. We need to have a strategic framework to make sure it isn't a series of disparate projects in our different centers and different tools. By having a strategy, we can bring together, build on each other's strengths, but be able to go forward together in an integrated way.
So I feel like our role is to bring everyone together, support CGIAR vision from the Digital Transformation Accelerator. This workshop is the first one of a journey, and the idea is that we're able to design AI co-scientists that allow us to accelerate our scientific discovery.
At the Alliance of Biodiversity in CIAT, we apply AI in order to accelerate the research in the different areas of work. For instance, we use AI in order to identify pests and diseases, also in climate modeling, also in crop breeding by digital phenotyping, also on data-driven agronomy, using machine learning algorithms and computer vision, and many other applications, working very closely with the end users and co-designing the tools with them.
I think AI has a very great potential in accelerating how we do research. For example, we do a lot of breeding. I think AI can help us shorten breeding cycles, for example. We have a lot of data as a CGIAR since the 1970s. We can look at new connections, new ways of using this data to bring our research in a new way that we can impact the people who depend on us.
So if we manage to come together, bring all our data, then we'll be able to unlock the power of AI another level.
One of the best things about this workshop is that we are a good group of individuals with opinions and expertise, wildly diverse. Really brings out the human capital we have at CGIAR. So people were angry, but people were also excited. And I think that is making people feel heard. This kind of democratic process can go towards be at the front of the organization's policy on AI. Then I think we're going in the right direction.
This workshop made me really aware of the importance of ethical and governance issues for AI. So I'm going to participate from now on into a working group on governance and ethics for AI. We've been using different types of gamified experiences to work together on topics pertaining to how we want to implement sort of AI co-scientists, because we identified the fact that AI through multi-agentic systems can help us really accelerate the work we do in research for food, land and water systems in the CGIAR.
I thought that I'm only doing something by myself in my organization, so that if I have some problem, I don't know where I can ask or any kind of feedback or comment. But now I see some of the group of people who doing the same thing. So if I have any question or problem, then I can ask them to, and then we discuss together.
I think it's very fulfilling to see what the other centers and the other colleagues are doing. Very promising, with a lot of potential for CGIAR.